I bought a car that had no floors, it was missing the entire fender. People thought I was crazy.
That's those car.
I am crazy.
I was like, that's for demolition. Yeah, that's exactly what we do.
I've been through all sorts of shit. And when I have an objective, nothing stops me.
Joy.
Nothing like driving a T-Bird listening to James Bond.
Failure, sadness, even disaster.
The area behind me was the hardest hit with tornadoes project
Looks like I
confirming
just,
Tuesday, and
lost
Tuesday the
everything.
death toll from the deadly storm rose to 10, with thousands of people still without power. The township of Uxbridge under a state of emergency. Bomb went off.
But ultimately, I really believe it'll be a story of success. You can be subscribed, or
You're gonna be on the rear view mirror, baby.